off, this gonna be a great bestie for you. It's gonna always keep your crystal last up to 4 weeks. So I'm gonna add just a little bit. Usually I'm using my twin tip brush, but because it's a smaller detail area, so I'm using a dot tool, which is from the crystal pickers. This is last you a long time. And then no web top coat right on the top. So I'm not gonna add crystal around with the fusioning in the background, because I want to keep some of this fittings there. I just add, it's a little bit of centers of the leaves and the petals. So you can use any colors. You can using, I'm using is glow in the darks crystals. But you know what? You can use any colors. You can use AB. You can use neon. Neon looks cute though. I'm gonna add just maybe a couple beads or whatever. Maybe 1 bead in the middle. Something like that. I'm gonna add some beads right here. Another one. Three and three. That's it. You can add more, like I can go on and on, but this is really a quick, simple one, so then you can definitely enjoy it. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give this for 60 seconds.